Welcome back. We'll be drawing today, and I'm going to show you how to draw Zechariah when he meets an angel. So first, I'm going to start with a guideline in the center of the page from top to bottom, and then also left to right, so that we have a cross on our page with a pencil. And then I'm going to switch to using a marker so that it's easier for you to see. You can continue to use your pencil and trace it afterward. On the right side, I'm going to draw two little short lines on top of the guideline. And then I'll draw sort of like a U shape. So one on the left and one on the right side. Kind of like a little cup too. And then I'm going to bend to the right and go up. That's going to be the nose and the forehead. And then I'll draw an eye, eyebrow, and mouth. And of course, don't forget, he has ear. So it's kind of like a letter C, but upside down. And now I'll draw some hair for this angel. This will be the angel on the right side. So some hair from the forehead connecting to the ear, and then drawing kind of like a cloud shape from the top to the back of the head. Now connect the neck together with a little curved line at the bottom and drawing the body. So a little curve and then come all the way down to the bottom of the page. Alright, so that's the back. Alright, good job. Now I will draw the arms going out to the left. Almost like a rectangle, but bending lower. And he has a hand kind of like saying, calm down, don't be scared. With his little thumb with a shorter curve inside a longer curve there. And then on the middle part of the body, I will draw almost like a rectangle, but with the top line. At the bottom of this rectangle, I will draw a little curve for his other hand. You can also choose to draw some thumb if you like to. Now he's an angel. I want to draw some wings. Well, one side only because we're looking on the side. So at the back, we're going to draw two curved lines. One to the top, one to the bottom. And then I'll draw another curve just for the top one. And inside there, kind of like feather. So I'll draw some small curves from the back to the edge of the paper. And I'll draw 3 rows. Yes, there we go. So angel is done. On the left side, on top, same thing as the angel. I will draw on the left side facing the angel. But first I'm going to draw the kind of like a hat, the back of the hat. So you can see that from the guideline, I draw a straight line downward and then going back up. And then at the top, you have a long rectangle. That's right. And then I will draw kind of like almost like a mushroom hat. So it's kind of like a rectangle, but it's wide at the top. There we go. Yes. And then here's the forehead and the nose, similar to the angel. But this one, Zechariah, has a little bit more beard. So I'll draw kind of like a cloud shape for the beard. Yes. Now the eye. So like a little dot, eyebrow. I make the eyebrow a little bit thicker. You can choose the way you like for your eyebrow. And his mouth is like, whoa, who are you? It was a little shock when he actually see God's messenger. And then the neck, the little U shape. And then the body, similar to the angel, but this time I have his right arm stretching out. So his right arm will be blocking part of his body. So I don't draw the body going all the way down in the front, but instead just draw halfway and then drawing the arm coming forward, curve to the angel, come down. There we go. And then the other side of the curve. and his hand is like almost like trying to shake hand with the angel. But he's like just like this is a natural position of his hand, and then continue drawing the part of his clothing. When we're done, we're gonna draw some lines. If you pay attention to like the master paintings from the past, they always have like lines going toward like the angel or God, so that it really focuses on who's the main character in the picture here. So you can see that I have lines going toward the angel's head. And there you go. So once we have all the lines going to the angel's head, we can start coloring it. A lot of the clothing would be white, so it's easier. And then the background, we can color it with bright color. I hope you enjoyed today's video. See you next time.